Here at Lloyd Land Rover Kelso, we are pleased to present this Range Rover 3-litre D350 SE, finished in Carpathian Grey premium metallic paint, with 21-inch diamond-turned alloy wheels. Some of the standout features on this car include pixel LED headlights, front fog lights, power folding heated door mirrors, keyless entry, sliding panoramic roof, privacy glass, and on the tailgate we have the rear camera. As we enter now beneath the power tailgate, we can see the load space with a load space cover and the 60/40 rear folding seats. As we enter into the rear of the cabin now, we can see the ebony perforated Windsor leather seats, which come fitted with Isofix child seat mounts. And on the front row we can see the heated front seats. As we turn now to the multifunction steering wheel, we can see the adaptive cruise control with the heated steering wheel button, chrome gearshift paddles, interactive driver display with satellite navigation, the head-up display, and the hands-free mobile controls. On the touch display we have the ambient lighting, 3D surround camera system, as well as DAB radio. On the center console we can see the climate controls, as well as gear selector and terrain response dial. For more information on this vehicle, please get in touch with our sales team on the contact details provided.